Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account security with Bitmoji detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your account security with Bitmoji, begin by opening the Bitmoji app on your device. Log in with your current credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner. Tap on the settings icon to access the menu. Scroll down to find the account or security section. Select this section to proceed with security options. Look for the option labeled Reset Security or Change Password. Tap on this option to begin the reset process. You will be prompted to enter your current password. Input your current password accurately. Next, enter a new password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the specified field. After completing this step, tap on the Save or Confirm button. You should see a notification confirming that your password has been successfully updated. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's available. Follow any additional prompts to set this feature up. Once completed, log out of your account and log back in to ensure the changes were successful. Congratulations, you have reset your account security with Bitmoji. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.